So this is a quick tutorial on how to change a Google Pixel strap and just some strap ideas that we have at Strapify. So to remove the strap on the Pixel, we'll just push the button down on the end of this strap and then slide the strap towards that button, and that will take the strap off. So we'll do the same for the other side. So we'll push the button and then slide the strap towards that button. So to attach a new strap to the Pixel, we'll do something similar. So except we'll do the opposite. So it can be a bit strange to attach the strap to the watch the first time, but the trick is to align the strap, so the end of this strap, and push the button in and then slide it back into place. That's the easiest way to align it. Once you do get a bit better, you can start to align it properly, but we've found the easiest way is to align it straight onto the button and then sliding it back in. And then we'll do the other side. So putting the end, so the curved end onto the button, pushing it down, and then sliding it back into place. So this strap here is our sports loop strap. So this is designed for sports and just comfort. So it's made from nylon. So this is how it looks. So the Velcro is pretty strong. So if you're going to use this for sports, it's not really going to go anywhere. So this strap probably measures about 18 millimeters as well. It's one of the, I guess when you compare it to other watch straps, typically they're usually about 20. So with the Pixel straps, they're a little bit skinnier than normal. So the other strap option we've got a metal Milanese. So I'm just going to take this strap off. So we'll push the button down and then slide the strap towards that button. The same thing, push it down and slide towards. Okay, so this is the Milanese strap. So it's just a mesh strap, incredibly breathable and very lightweight as well. So this is probably more designed for going out or just going to work. And it attaches just via a magnet and straight onto the strap. So this means that the strap is infinitely adjustable. So you'll get the perfect fit for your watch, for your wrist. So that's how this Milanese strap looks on the Google Pixel.